Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be cleaning and decorating for Halloween. Isn't that right, Jack? Jack's not a fan of the spooky decorations. He doesn't really like them. So I always do a Halloween clean and decorate with me and a Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I just can't believe we're all the way back in Halloween again. It just doesn't seem real. Like, I feel like I just did this video. But I just cleaned yesterday, but I guess there's always stuff to be cleaned every day because Jack keeps me pretty busy because he sheds pretty bad. So Jack will be in the background just watching me clean and decorate, won't you? Let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you guys what I've got in the tote. I just have one Halloween tote, so I don't have like a bunch of decorations, but I definitely have plenty. All right, so here are some of my Halloween decorations. Got this spooky witch that I've had like since my childhood. It is super old. And just a few like Dollar Tree decorations. I think I bought this one last year. And some lights. Some cute little signs. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot in here and I think I'll have plenty to work with today. So let's get started.